Have you ever been working with a client only to have them call the number from someone else's sign? What if there was a tool that could put you in the consumer's pocket 24/7? Smarter Agent has the first GPS mobile real estate search application that allows a consumer to look for properties at the touch of a button. And it allows them to download the application by simply entering the model of their phone, who their carrier is, such as Sprint and AT&T, or their cell phone number. And just like a game or a ringtone, the application downloads to their cell phone, branded to you, and you've put yourself in your client's pocket. Let me show you how easy it works. Once the consumer has the application, it's stored in the Applications or Get It Now section, depending on their carrier. They select Homes for Sale by Smarter Agent, and when the main menu pops up, it's branded to you and your company. All they have to do now is hit GPS Quick Search. The phone uses the built-in GPS technology to instantly pinpoint their location and pull up all available homes for sale within a certain mile radius around them. Notice on each page it will show your company's name, and the colors will match your company's branding. Here we have the list of properties the initial search has returned, and now there are a couple of choices on how I can proceed. I can scroll over one of the properties and select one to get more information, or I can select Map It, which you see can be done by either scrolling to it or hitting the pound sign. Let's start by mapping it. It brings up a map showing the first 10 properties the search returned, indicated by the blue houses, and a red star indicating where I am standing. I can move the cursor over any of the blue houses, and the property address and price show up. If there's a property I want more information on, I simply select it. The information returned includes the price, beds, baths, taxes, estimated mortgage, and the company that listed the property. Keep in mind that even though the listing agent is displayed, as we have to be in full compliance with IDX rules and regulations, everything about the application is branded to you. If I want more information about this particular property, I can scroll to or hit number 4 for pictures or number 5 for details. I've selected details. From here I can read about the overall description of the property, learn about the interior and exterior features, get building information, and even access pictures. If I decide I really am interested in this property, there's only one thing left to do: set up an appointment to see it. I simply hit the Call to See button on the phone, and the phone exits the application and immediately puts me in touch with you. It doesn't matter who the listing agent is, all calls go back to you through your branded Homes for Sale application. I also have the option to save the overall search for the area I'm looking at, or save a favorite individual property. I can get back to these saved favorites from the main menu under Saved Favorites. The application also contains a Hotpix key that will pull up all the featured properties realtors have listed, again starting with those closest to the consumer. Hotpix is a great way for you to make your newest properties more visible to the consumer while they're searching. Over 75% of consumers hit the Hotpix key just to see what's out there. If the consumer doesn't have GPS on their phone, don't worry. The application still works. They can search by address, city, state, or zip code. They can also refine their search by type, such as single family, condo, multifamily, by price, beds, baths, and within how many miles they want to search if they're using the GPS search. It takes pushing a few more buttons, but after the initial search, the rest of the application works the same, and consumers can find their dream home through a tool you provided to them, anytime, anywhere, all through their cell phone. So if you want to put yourself in every consumer's cell phone through the branded Homes for Sale application, visit www.smarteragent.com. We're here to help you.